Hey guys, so here's the video that shows how you can change these four overlapping spaces into a single solution set. So you can see here that we have our four vertices that are kind of defining this weird region, right? And we have this weird quadrilateral that's not really like a square or anything like that. And we want to make it just be the only shaded space. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to take three of our constraints and make them not be visible. And then in this line right here, in this red line, we're going to actually include those constraints. And we're going to use something that we call curly brackets that look like this. And so I'm just going to retype the other three constraints in this space. And as you can see, things kind of start to take form. So I'm going to make this another pair of curly brackets. I'm going to type the next constraint for x plus 6. And I'll put the last constraint then in. And the last constraint was y is greater than or equal to -4. And there you have it. So you can see here we have these four corners that are kind of defining this region. And here we go. See, that's the same exact region that we had defined like that, right? So I can still leave these here so I know what the actual constraints are. You can see if we get rid of this one, then there kind of it comes and goes. And that's it. So rather than having to have these four colors that are all overlapping and kind of hard to see, we can make this single space. And in an ideal world, you would maybe make there be like a line around this edge, but like that's not super important. If you want to play around with it and figure out ways to do that, be my guest. But as far as we are concerned, this is enough for us to talk about this as like the feasible region of solutions. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Feel free to watch this video again if you are confusion.